ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 72. அக்ரூரஸ்ய கோகுல யாத்ரா வர்ணனம். அக்ரூராஸ் journey to Gokula. Bhagavata Skanda 10 chapter 38 is the basis for this dashaka. Shloka 1. कंसोऽथ नारदगिरा व्रजवासिनं त्वाम् आकर्ण्यदीर्णहृदयः स हि गान्धिनेयम् आहूय कार्मुकमकच्छलतो भवन्तम् आनेतुमेनमहिनोत् अहिनाथशायिन्. Word by word meaning. Hey Ahinathashayin, Ahi, serpent, O Lord reclining on the king of serpents. Atha, then. Saha, Kamsaha, that Kamsa. Narada Gira, from the words of Narada. Tvam, thee. Vrajavasin, as residing in Vraja. Akarnya, hearing. Dirna Hridayaha, heart trembling with fear. Gandhineyam, the son of Gandhini. Akrura, Ahuya, calling. Karmuka Makachalataha, under the pretext of performing a bow festival. Bhavantam Anetum, to bring thee. Yenam Ahinoth, he did send him. Full meaning. O Lord reclining on Adishesha, hearing from Narada that thou wert residing in Vraja, Kamsa trembling with fear called Akrura and sent him to bring thee under the pretext of inviting thee to a bow festival. Om Tat Sat.